In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store. We'll guide you through each essential step to give your store a personalized touch, enhancing the shopping experience for your customers. So let's dive right in. First off, to get started, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you've done that, navigate over to My Store on the Shopify admin homepage. This is essentially your control center where all the magic begins. From here, look for the Online Store option on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will open up a new set of options. This section is where you manage the appearance of your store, from themes to navigation. Next, click on Customize. This option is prominently displayed, inviting you to bring your personal style into play. Customization is one of Shopify's strengths, as it allows you to tailor your site to meet brand specifics while catering to user experience. Now, you'll see an interface that displays your current theme's layout. It's laid out intuitively to help you navigate through various parts of your site. What we want to do next is click on Add section. This feature empowers you to include new elements to the homepage, like featured products or an image slider to make your store more engaging and feature-rich. After clicking Add section, you'll see a list of various components you can add. Here you want to choose Highlight. The Highlight section is a powerful tool for drawing attention to specific parts of your store. Whether it's a promotional offer or highlighting new products, utilizing this feature effectively can lead to higher conversion rates. You'll perform this highlight action several times, so let's go through it again quickly to ensure you've got it down pat. Each time, the process remains the same. Select Add section, and then Highlight until you've configured your store exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied with the new sections and the design feels right, the last and most crucial step is to save everything you've worked on. Look for the Save button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this ensures all your customization efforts are preserved, allowing your changes to go live. Forgetting this step might mean losing all your hard work, so it's vital to make it a habit of saving often. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to customizing your Shopify store to better reflect your brand's image and boost customer engagement. Remember, the design and functionality of your store can significantly impact your success, so feel free to experiment within these settings to find what works best for you. Happy customizing, and good luck with your Shopify journey!